Hello friends, everybody, welcome to my new update video. Today I will solve a nice exponential equation. Here is given that x square plus 2x is equal to 3x root over x. Let's go start. X square plus 2x minus 3x root x. Okay friends, then we common here is x square plus 2x minus 3x root over x. So we take common as x plus 2 minus 3 root x is equal to 0. We know that AB is equal to 0, then A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. So we can from this x is equal to 0. This is an one value of this equation. Next, or we can write x plus 2 minus 3 root x is equal to 0. We transform 3 root x from left side to right side. So we can write x plus 2 is equal to 3 root x. So friends, why we transform from left side to right side? Here is a root. If we square the both side, then square and root cancel. So we transform 3 root x from left side to right side. Now square the both side. We can write here as we know a plus, we apply a formula, this part a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write x square plus 2 and x into 2 plus 2 square, and we can from right side root x whole square and root cancel. So we can write x square here 2 and 2 is equal to 4 and x, and here is 4 is equal to 3 square is 9 and here is x. Now we again transform 9x from right side to left side. So we can write x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 9x is equal to 0. Okay friends, here 9x minus 9x and plus 4x. So we subtract, can write 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we middle factor this. Here 4, we can write 4 and 1. Product of 4 is 4 and 1. Here is 4 and plus 1 is equal to 5. So we can write here x square minus 4x minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here this part we take common x. So remainder x minus 4 my common minus 1 here is 4 is equal to 0. Then x minus 4 and x minus 4 is common. So we can write x minus 4 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 4 or here x is equal to 1. Okay, this is the final value of this equation. X is equal to 4, x is equal to 1. So we get x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. Okay friends, everybody, please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. If you have any special problem, please known me by comment. Okay, thank you.